guys, welcome back, and today we're outside and I'm going to try and revamp my old shed. Now it's about 9 years old and I've painted it in garden paint, which is the Wild Thyme, and I absolutely love the colour. But I thought it still just looks like a box standard shed, and I wanted to make it look a bit more inviting, a bit more exciting. So I'm actually going to paint a mural on it, and it's going to be a lovely tree, and it's going to have hearts on it, because you know that I absolutely adore hearts. So I can't wait to try the project out, so keep watching and I'll show you how it turns out. Now you can use a pencil to start off, and you can draw what you want on there, and then you can go with the garden paint. But I've just got a pot of white garden paint and a little brush for now, and I'm just going to draw, paint it on. So this is the end result, and I think that it's turned out really well, and it's given a little bit of pizzazz to my shed. It's got a focal point rather than it just being a boring straight colour. I might do a video and do the actual side of it, but that will probably be part 2 of my shed. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.